Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video of makeup. And first of all, I'm really sorry for being so late. It's almost more than 2 weeks that I have not uploaded any video. I am really sorry about that, but of course I have something really good for you guys. That is, today I'm going to show you a traditional look that you can wear on any wedding party, or also of course Durga Puja is coming, which is a Hindu festival. Though everybody celebrates Durga Puja in India especially, so for Durga Puja, Ashtami and Navami, this is the look that you can definitely carry with yourself. This is going to be very easy but very gorgeous. So let's not waste further time and let's get straight to the video. So as you can see, I have already applied my foundation and eyebrows are done. So I will be starting with my eye makeup, and for my eye makeup I am going to use only one palette today. I'm not going to shift from one to another. So I'm going to use this OMG eyeshadow palette, and from this OMG eyeshadow palette I will be using this shade first as my transition shade, this one as my transition shade, okay? So after applying the transition shade, now I will be creating a very soft smoky eyes with brown color. After applying, I will take this transition shade again. I'm going to blend it with this one. So very soft eye makeup with the very with a very light brown shade. I just did a soft eye, smoky eye. But after that, I think that's all I want to do. I don't want to mess up more. So I will take another shade from this eyeshadow palette only. This is this shade, very little, and I am going to apply it. Like, I blend it with the transition shade and the brown color, both. After it's done, I will be blending the whole thing with a clear eye brush. So that there is no line and it looks very soft and gentle. उसने जाना की तारीफ very small winged liner with this. So after applying this liner, I will be now doing my lower lash line, and for my lower lash line, same shade, this one, and taking very little amount of it.
चेहरा एक फूल की तरह शादाब है, चेहरा उसका है या कोई महताब है, चेहरा जैसे गजल चेहरा जाने
Blush, I'm going to take a very light pink color. This one, I never used this color before.
चेहरा एक ख्वाब भी, चेहरा ताबीर भी, चेहरा पूरी अलिफ लहर भी दास्तां, चेहरा एक पल यकीन, चेहरा एक पल गुमा, चेहरा जैसा का चेहरा कहीं भी नहीं महरूमा.
I will be applying mascara, and this is of course that I use every day, Maybelline Colossal Mascara.
आफरीन 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 उसने जाना की तारीफ.
If you want, you can wear false lashes. I will be wearing today, and if you don't want, you can definitely skip. But now I will be applying my favorite part, that is of course using shimmer.
तो मैं देखता रह गया, जाम दो और दोनों ही दो आतिशा, आंखें या मैं कदे की ये दो बाब हैं, आंखें इनको कहूँ या कहूँ ख्वाब हैं, आंखें नीची हुई तो हया बन गई, आंखें ऊंची हुई तो दुआ बन गई, आंखें उठकर झुकी तो अदा बन गई, आंखें झुककर उठी तो कदा बन गई, आंखें जिनमें है कैद आसमानो ज़मीन, नरगिसी नरगिसी सुरमगी सुरमगी, नरगिसी नरगिसी सुरमगी सुरमगी.
I'm going to apply my false lashes, and I will be using PAC, this one.
आफरीन आफरीन आफरीन.
Now I will be applying, for the lipstick I will be applying this MAC lipstick. This is in the shade D for Danger. I used this previously on one of my videos. 630 is the shade number. So after applying the lipstick, now I will be applying bindi. Now I'm going to set the whole makeup using this MAC makeup fixer, which is also a primer, and of course I use this as a primer too. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and this is really very easy. The eye makeup is really easy. You just need to know how to do a wing liner, which is very easy, of course. So but yet, you know, it's looking gorgeous. So obviously you can wear this look and you can go for Ashtami Anjali or Navami special night dinner with your family members. this is going to be really glamorous, guys. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comment section below, and also if you have any feedback, that also please let me know. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every time I post you get notified. Thank you. Bye bye.